Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Progrixx, your go-to channel for personal and professional development. I'm Alina Noor, your host, and today we're diving into the third installment of our series on developing strategic thinking for kids and young minds. If you missed our previous episodes on vision points and analysis, be sure to check them out. Today, our focus is on another critical component of strategic thinking, long-term focus. Parents, educators, and curious minds, get ready for an enlightening exploration into cultivating long-term thinking in our younger generation. Introducing long-term focus to kids. Long-term focus is all about planning for the future and understanding that today's actions can impact tomorrow. But how do we convey this concept to our kids in a way that resonates with them? Let's find out. Moving on. Planting seeds. Begin by planting seeds, both literally and metaphorically. Engage your child in gardening activities. Explain that just as seeds need time to grow into plants, some achievements and goals take time. It's a beautiful way to introduce the concept of patience and long-term focus. Time capsule project. Embark on a time capsule project with your child. Together, gather items or create a snapshot of their current life. Seal it in a container and discuss how opening it in the future will reveal the changes and growth over time. It's a hands-on way to understand the value of looking ahead. Applying long-term focus to daily routines. Now that we've introduced the basics, let's explore how we can weave long-term focus into our daily routines. Small, consistent efforts can make a significant impact over time. Habit tracking. Introduce habit tracking to your child. Create a simple chart where they can mark their daily habits or goals. Discuss how maintaining positive habits over time leads to long-term benefits, reinforcing the importance of consistency. Project planning. Engage your child in planning a project that extends over several weeks or months. It could be a science experiment, a craft project, or even a book they want to write. This not only fosters long-term focus but also teaches project management skills. Teaching delayed gratification. One key aspect of long-term focus is delayed gratification, understanding that some rewards are worth waiting for. Let's explore how we can instill this valuable mindset in our kids. Saving for a goal. Encourage your child to save money for a specific goal, perhaps a toy or an outing. This teaches them that delaying immediate spending can lead to a more significant reward in the future. It's a practical lesson in delayed gratification. Culinary adventures. Embark on culinary adventures with your child. Cooking or baking projects that require time and patience provide an excellent opportunity to discuss the concept of delayed gratification. The delicious end result is worth the wait. Applying long-term focus to personal aspirations. As we guide our children towards long-term focus, it's essential to connect it with their personal aspirations. Let's explore how we can align their goals with a forward-thinking mindset. Dream board. Create a dream board with your child. Discuss their long-term aspirations, whether it's becoming an astronaut, an artist, or a scientist. Visualizing these dreams regularly reinforces the idea that their efforts today contribute to making these dreams a reality. Future self letter. Encourage your child to write a letter to their future selves. Discuss their goals, dreams, and the person they aspire to become. Seal the letter and set a future date to open it. This reflective activity reinforces the idea of working towards a better future. As we wrap up today's episode on long-term focus, I hope you're inspired to incorporate these activities into your interactions with kids and young teenagers. Developing this skill is like planting seeds for a fruitful future. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Progrixx. And remember, this is just the third installment of our series on developing strategic thinking for kids and young minds. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes. Until next time, this is Alina Noor, signing off.